is done. Now I just need to sand it and prime it, paint it tomorrow. On to the next side. That side's done. Ready for paint. And ready for paint. And ready for paint. Ooh. Let's see if I can get a better view. Dust everywhere in the air. You can see the dust everywhere. I hate it. We got a little spot here I gotta fix up. It seems like this has been hit by a rock or something at some point. This needs to go in there. And you drill that out. Ah, finally. Stupid fucking thing just fell out. After all that fucking grinding and shit, it just fell right out. Alright, so I'm going through, getting these last spots. Trying to get inside there. Stop any corrosion I can. Get all this. Trying to hit all the spots before I call myself done. I mean, I don't care that it's not the cleanest. I really don't care. Oh, I really don't. You know, it's not supposed to be the cleanest. It's a WRX toy. It is what it is. So, I'm very happy with it. I mean, for the amount of work that was here. See, this was all rusted before, painted all that. Bumpy. Alright. It may or may not be time to put the fender liners on. Alright, so it turns out I can cut these to size myself. The final product looks pretty good. I need to cut a relief slit right there, and I just need to put some fasteners at the bottom, and then this side is done as well. See that gap? So when I close that, I can't tighten that bolt. Nothing happens. It's definitely rusted out in there, so I'm just going to tack this with the welder, because when I hold this in, that goes into place in there. So I'm going to tack that. Same exact problem on the other side. Oh, hello little satellite dish. Hi. Hey guys, that's all for today. If you guys liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. As always, there's a new video coming out next week. Remember to have fun and stay safe out there. That's a rod knock. Like, that's my engine. My engine's toast and done. So there's that.